Hey there, nature-loving educators. Today we're tackling a common false belief. Starting a nature-based forest school is too expensive. Let's debunk that myth together and discover some cost-effective solutions. Are you ready? Let's go. Nature is the best classroom, and it doesn't have to break the bank. Utilize the abundance of natural materials available to you, like pine cones, leaves, and rocks. Nature provides endless possibilities for hands-on learning. Partnering with local organizations can be a game changer. They have other resources like nature reserves, equipment, and expertise that they're eager to share with passionate educators like you. It's a win-win. Remember, the investment in nature-based education pays off in the long run. Studies show that children who experience nature-based learning exhibit improved cognitive skills, creativity, and overall well-being. It's priceless. Join me in creating an epic and affordable nature-based education experience for our future generations. Together, we can debunk the myths and make nature-based education accessible to all.